One massive. So in this video I'm gonna do oven fried chicken wings. So I clean up the wings a bit, remove little fats here and there, and then wash with lime juice, rinse with tap water, drain pat dry, and then season with salt, all purpose chicken seasoning, garlic powder, Lawry's seasoned salt, black pepper, and then rub the spices all over the chicken wings. So now I am drenching each wings into a mixture of half cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of chicken seasoning. If you want, you can put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, but I did not use cornstarch. So after drenching each wing into the flour mixture, shake off the excess amount. Then I'm going to allow the wings to sit on the countertop for about 5-10 minutes until the flour mixture set into the chicken wings. Oven fried in my book doesn't mean that I eliminated oil. I still use oil because I want the result to be like crispy and moist. So it's up to you if you want to use oil. I am going to use a little bit of oil. Oven fry means I reduce the amount of oil used to fry the chicken. If I was doing it on the stove top or in a deep fryer significantly. So I still use a little bit of oil that I use to brush all over the wings just to keep it moist in the oven while it is baking slash frying. So in the meantime, I preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I put a little bit of water into a roasting pan, and then I'm going to put the roasting pan into the oven. I am going to put it exactly underneath where I am going to place the chicken wings to collect the drippings from the chicken wings. Make sure that you clean your oven every time you use the oven, and do not use your oven for storage. So now I am placing the chicken wings onto the rack. That's the oven rack. Yes, that's where I'm gonna fry the chicken wings, man. Yes, and right after finish using the oven rack, I'm gonna put it outside into the cistern, and as soon as it cools, I am gonna wash it because listen, my oven is always clean, man. Clean my oven every time I use it. There's nothing that disturbs me more than a dirty oven. Trust me. So what we call cistern is what you probably call a wash tub. Yes, you have a wash tub in the laundry room and a wash tub outside as well. But of course, I call the one outside cistern and the one into the laundry room wash tub. Yeah, man, so I'm going to place the chicken, like I said, on the rock and then make sure that the container is right underneath there to collect the drippings. Gonna close the door and allow the chicken wings to bake for 40 minutes. I bake the chicken wings for 40 minutes, even though I call them oven fried wings because they taste more like fried wings than baked wings. And yeah, so 20 minutes into the baking time, I use a thong and flip the wings. I didn't record it, just telling you what I did. Yeah, man, and you know, the chicken wings, crispy enough for me, but if you want that extra crispiness, you can put a teaspoon of cornstarch with the baking powder and the all-purpose flour. Yeah, man, so I can enjoy my chicken wings without feeling guilty of me putting grease into my body. You don't know, so when you fry it on the stove top, you use a lot more oil, and it is even worse when you use a deep fryer. Deep fryer was always a no-no for me. You understand? Yeah, and the best way to fry or even to bake our roast chicken is to use the stove rock, because the air circulates, or the hair circulates all around the meat, making it more crispy and nice. And remember to clean the oven every time you use it. As soon as my oven cool to the touch, I'm gonna clean it and then wash the rock outside, because there's nothing more disgusting than a dirty oven. You understand? And do not store things in your oven as well. Yeah, man, so that's it. The chicken is nice, well seasoned, everything. Thanks for watching.